Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Alexa and today I'll be doing a tour of my very tiny room. Not luxurious at all, so you should know what you're getting into. Actually I just want to do it because I feel like doing a room tour video. Why not? And I actually felt like I could not do a room tour video because my room is pretty small. But I also thought to myself, Alexa, so one day when you're old and you're thinking of how you lived your youth, you're going to tell yourself that you did not do a room tour video because your room was small. I mean, do you know people who do not have rooms? I am very grateful for my room, and yeah, let's get to it. This is actually, I'm already in my room right now, so I'm going back outside, like outside my room. This is not an apartment tour, so I'm going to leave the rest of the apartment and just focus on my room. I'm going outside my room and then we'll walk back inside. Okay? Oh, wait. Wait. Okay. Yeah, ouch. What? Oh, why is it blurry? Focus. Yes. So this is like an overview of the room. Oh, no, let's not go there yet. This is like what it looks like, and okay, this is my fan, obviously, and this is my table where I see and just share whatever I feel like doing with the table. And this is my goal board. Like for every month, I have a goal board. I started this recently, and it's pretty nice to look at. And this is the calendar to go with the goal board. It's like a schedule table or something. And yeah, this is my mirror. You saw me here, hell yeah, hell yeah, earlier. And moving on, this is actually okay. Let's not go there, but like there's a farmland right outside my window. Come. Well, moving on. This is where I lay to sleep. Oh God, lay me down to sleep. So biblical. And this is outside, not outside shop, but like that's the door. This is my tripod stand. I'm not using it right now, but I will be filming a video right after this, so I'll be using it. And this is my lobot. It's actually covered, wardrobe, whatever, but I like saying lobot. Those are my shoes, obviously. I don't have a lot of them, but oh well, remove. And this is for my clothes. We're not going in oh God, what is going on in here? In here today. They got me. And this is something else I have going on in my lobot. These are actually people I like to see because they kind of inspire me. I like some characters that they portray or something like that. Like the first one is Choma Good Hair. She's very hardworking. I like to see stuff like that motivate me to be hardworking and stuff. And that is Toke Makinwa. She has an empire. And then last there is Sisi, and I like how resilient and all that she is. So I like seeing things like this to make people like, come on, there are women killing it. You can kill it too, sister. Glory. And this is where I keep all my books and stuff. These are my shades. Why is it dark? Anywho, moving on. Yeah, bye-bye. And I don't think I have to go up there, but do you know, guys, do you know that this is actually my face, but Sisi's body? Because I mean, look at that body. And when my mom visited, she actually said, I was like, this person looks like me. I'm like, mommy, don't you know your daughter when you see her? Oh goodness. But yeah, guys, that's about it. And okay, let's go back to the mirror. Ooh, my stomach. So as you could see, this room was not big at all, not luxurious, and there was absolutely nothing I had to show. But I just wanted to do a room tour video, and I did it, and I'm posting it because why not? Okay, seriously, I have got to stop screaming and laughing at my own dry jokes. Now that I think of it, very dry. But moving on. What do you guys like to see? Is there something you like to see? Would you like me to talk about my goal board? This, how I set it up and how it works for me and stuff like that. I could talk about that, you know. I mean, it's helping me out, and if it will help you out too, why not? Share it. Alexa, why are you so hyper? Why am I so hyper? I'm not even. Have I eaten? Okay, I've eaten this morning. But it's just normal food now. Anyways, if you like this, yeah, I didn't even say it. If you like this video, please leave a like. I noticed some of you, a lot of you actually, watch my videos and you don't like them. Why? Why not? Am I not fine? Oh goodness! Just leave a like, and if you're a new viewer, that's how they say it. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe. And if you have something you'd like to say to me, leave it in the comment section, even if it's not an hey God. Daughter of Adam. Moving on. Before I start saying things that do not even mean anything anymore, let me just end now while I'm still ahead. Before you go south real fast. That will be about it, guys. If there's anything you'd like me to talk about, anything you'd like me to show you, please leave it in the comment section. Am I talking too fast? Because I feel like I am. Anywho, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Sign out. Bye-bye. Bye.